Today we're going to start learning about the elements of art. You should have learned about these when you were in elementary school, but they are line, shape, space, form, texture, color, and value. So throughout this year we will go over and learn about these. But today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the element of art, color, first. First of all, color is a reflection of light. So if there was no light in this room, you would not see any color. We're going to watch a quick brain pop video, and then we'll get back to color. Hold on a second.
Dear Tim and Moby, I need to know all about color. From Nadia. That's a tall order. Where should we start? Okay, but we have to explain the electromagnetic spectrum before that's going to make any sense. The electromagnetic spectrum is the name for a bunch of types of radiation, including visible light. Like all waves, light waves have a wavelength. That's the distance from crest to crest. The crest is the highest point on a wave. Waves also have a frequency, or number of wavelengths that pass a particular point per second. When the wavelength increases, frequency decreases. Low-frequency waves have a low level of energy. When wavelength decreases, frequency increases. High-frequency waves carry more energy. Electromagnetic waves are organized by their wavelength and frequency. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays are some of the main types of electromagnetic waves. Most electromagnetic waves are invisible to us, but we can see the waves that fall in the spectrum called visible light. Our eyes register different wavelengths of visible light as color. The main colors we can see have been defined as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Actually, Moby, people can see thousands and thousands of different colors. We stick with those 7s just to keep things simple. Anyway, all of the colors, or wavelengths of visible light, combine to make white light. Like I said, light looks white to us, but really it's a combination of colors. Objects absorb different amounts of light energy. The grass in your yard looks green because it absorbs those red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet waves, but reflects the green ones. The green waves bounce into our eyes, and we see the grass is green. The same goes for that old sneaker. The stuff it's made of reflects red light and absorbs all the others. Practically any color can be made from mixing the primary colors of light, red, green, and blue. When these colors overlap, they produce new colors of light. Here, for instance, your brain interprets the overlap of red and green waves as yellow. Well, yeah, that's only to mix colors of light. Pigments that are used in paint can be mixed to make lots of colors too, but mixing paint is a bit different from mixing light. The 3 primary pigment colors are cyan, yellow, and magenta. Yellow pigment absorbs blue light and reflects red and green light. And you'll remember, your brain sees this as yellow. Mix all 3 primary pigment colors together, and you get black. Now? Can't you practice on a bowl of fruit or something? How long do I have to stay still? That's what I was afraid of.
Okay, so what we're going to do is this little color worksheet. What I would like you to do first is you're going to glue down, after your bonus pages, your elements of art paper. Then on the next page, you're going to glue down your color page. Okay, so first of all, we said that color was a reflection of light. So I'm just going to simply write this. Okay, once again, if this room was completely black, all the blinds were pulled, we would not see any color because there was no light. Then I'm going to go in and color in my color wheel. Blue violet and yellow orange are not in your colored pencil box, so you will need to mix those together. Red violet is going to be raspberry. Okay, and then all the other ones are listed on there. So if you look at your colored pencils, for instance, this says, oh, it's cut off, yellow green. Okay, so I would use that here. Then if I look at this one, it says green. I'm going to paint color that there. Okay, and so on. Then I'm going to paint, or color, excuse me, my primary colors. They are red, yellow, and blue. Tertiary colors are those ones that are in between, so those half colors. So blue-green, yellow-green. I could just simply color those areas there or write them out here. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite on the color wheel. So my orange and blue are opposite on the color wheel. When I mix them together, they make brown. Okay, red, yellow, and blue make brown. I don't care what the movie said. It's not black. So orange is made up of red and yellow, and blue, that's red, yellow, and blue. Red and green are complementary colors as well. Those make brown as well. And then violet and purple. Those are complementary colors. When I mix them together, I make brown. When I put them right next to each other, they intensify, they become brighter, they play off each other. So I can simply just say yellow. What's blue? There's purple. And purple. Okay, and then I would do red and green. And blue and orange. Oops, sorry. Okay, analogous colors, I don't care about. Warm colors are going to be the colors that make me feel warm and fuzzy. This would be red, yellow, and orange. Cool colors make you feel cool. Blue, purple, green. Purple and violet are going to be the same word. Monochromatic means one, can't see it, color. So this would be light blue, medium blue, dark blue. Okay? If I add white to a color, I get a tint. So an example would be pink. If I add black to a color, I would be a shade. This would be a navy blue if I added black to blue. Finally, I'm going to make my secondary colors. So green, orange, and violet are my secondary colors. What two colors make green? Yellow and blue. What two colors make orange? Red and yellow. What two colors make violet? Red and blue. So I'm going to color this all in and make sure it's glued in my sketchbook so that we fully understand color.